Unfortunately, copper does not make blue and green paint on pottery. I live in an area that's rich in copper. There are many large copper mines within 100 to 150 mile radius around Tucson, Arizona, where I live. So copper ore is relatively abundant in this area. Unfortunately, if you paint this on a pot, it doesn't come out the beautiful colors you see in the stones. So this is an example piece that I bring when I do demonstrations to show people about the different rocks that I use to make paint and the colors they come out. This kind of dark gray color is copper carbonate. So I took material like this that was greenish in color, ground it up, mixed it into a paint, painted it on here, and in the fire it came out a dark gray. In fact, copper paint like this was used in a lot of black paints in prehistoric times and today. Copper will not come out of the firing this color, either in an oxidation fire or in a reduction fire. So this little jar of material I have here is copper carbonate, just like this, that I've ground up and processed into a fine green powder. And I use this for paint. As you can see on the test tile, it doesn't come out a good black, but it is a reasonable dark gray. And when you mix that with manganese, it makes for a very nice black color. So this pot you see here is painted with a mix of manganese, copper, and clay. And you can see in an oxidation fire, it comes out a really nice black. In a reduction fire, however, it can do some really weird things. So this was a Choco cylinder I made, and I fired it, and the one side oxidized a little bit, and I got some good blacks on a rather white slip. But the bottom side ended up reducing, and I got some really weird stuff going on, kind of a red halo around the painted designs. So the painted designs are blackish, but they've got this strange red glow around them. And that is caused by reducing this copper material. So what accounts for the blue and green paints we sometimes see on southwestern pottery? Here's an example of a little pot that my friend Pilo Mora, who is a Mata Ortiz potter who lives here in Tucson, made for me. And you can see the green designs are beautiful and well executed. But when you see green designs like this, either on Mata Ortiz or modern Pueblo pottery, it's always done using commercial underglaze, because copper will not turn that color. Okay? So copper does make a good paint, and it is abundant here in the Southwest, but it doesn't make blues or greens. Blues and greens are about the only color we can't achieve using natural materials.